Drivers act like translators. They help Windows communicate with hardware, such as printers, cameras, audio devices, or graphics cards. If you're experiencing issues with any of these devices, you may have a driver issue. Try these steps to fix it. First, reinstall the driver. Go to Start and open Device Manager. In Device Manager, choose the correct driver. Then select the Driver tab in the pop-up window and select Uninstall Device. Now restart your PC. Windows will try to reinstall your driver when it restarts. If reinstalling didn't solve your issue, try rolling back the driver. Open Device Manager again and choose the driver. Select the Driver tab, and this time select Roll Back Driver. Choose the option that most closely matches your symptoms, then select Yes. Now restart your PC. If the option to roll back your driver is grayed out, move to the next troubleshooting step. If rolling back the driver didn't work, try updating it. Open Device Manager. Choose the correct driver and select the Driver tab. Then select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. If the best drivers for your device are already installed, select Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. In Windows Update, select Advanced Options and then Optional Updates. If there's an update available for the device you're troubleshooting, check the box and select Download and Install. Restart your PC if prompted after it's done installing. If there are no optional updates available, you may need to reach out to the device's manufacturer or visit their website to download an updated driver. If you'd like more information on troubleshooting drivers, visit aka.ms/driver troubleshooting.